Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work-at-home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Are you interested in starting a virtual assistant business, but you don't want to invest a ton of money up front? Totally get it. So in today's episode, I am going to share with you 3 tips to help you get your virtual assistant business going without needing to spend any money. Tip number 1 is to pick a service that sounds fun to you. There are literally over 100 different services you can offer as a virtual assistant, but I don't want you to pick one that you have experience in, but that you don't actually love, because if you do that, you're probably going to find yourself in the same place you are if you're feeling like you want to quit your 9 to 5, not happy there anymore, whatever. If you're curious what services you can offer as a virtual assistant, I highly recommend registering for my free workshop at arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or you can find that link in the show notes because I go over all of the different services you can offer. Okay, the second step you can take to starting your virtual assistant business without investing a ton of money is to create a portfolio. You can use a free online design program called Canva, Canva, and just create a PDF portfolio that you can send to potential clients that showcases your services, your packages, your pricing, maybe testimonials, any previous work you've done, and how to get in touch with you so that it's really easy for your potential clients to see what you have to offer and how they can move forward with working with you. Okay, once you've done those 2 things, you've picked a service that sounds fun to you and you've created a portfolio, now it's time to start applying to positions. You guys, it is literally as easy as this. I think a lot of people make it seem like it's going to be super complicated to become a virtual assistant, but yes, it does take time, it takes thought, but it is not super hard, and you can break this down into bite-sized chunks, and you could do this very quickly, okay? If you're still curious about what else it takes to get into the virtual assistant world, you want to set yourself up for success as best as you can, again, I invite you to my free workshop where I'm going to teach you the 5 Ps to become a successful and profitable virtual assistant. So go register for that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. Again, you can find that link in the show notes, but that's going to help you so much. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for listening to this episode, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.